This video, I'm going to show you the demo of this application part values to drawing fields. It copies the part names in the single part drawing, assembly name in the assembly drawing, and precast names in the cast unit drawing. So let's see the demo. Once you complete the drawing, open the document manager. When you create the drawing using one particular settings for all the members, this is what you see. The names may be standard beams, columns, or plates. So how I'm going to fix this using my application? Let me just double click and open this. You can also see some additional informations here where you can copy the profiles, length, workshop or external, weight, and you can also choose material and finish. So I'm selecting all these drawings and run this tool. So there are 162 drawings here. It will take very less time to update all the drawings. So here you can see it is updating. The list will be quite useful to sort out your drawing list. Let me select the assembly drawings now. Selecting all the drawings. And run this tool. So here you can see the status as workshop and external. What exactly it means, any code roll sections in the model that will be considered as external because that will be supplied by the third party, and all the other drawings should be sent to the workshop. So it will be very easy for us to segregate them. I just list out only the workshop drawings now. And using this information, you can sort out first by title 1. And then I'm pressing the shift key and title 2, click this up arrow. So it will also sort out this one by length. Here you can see the angle and length. Workshop drawings, and I'm choosing this as A3. So next you can type external. Again by title, and then pressing the shift key, click that up arrow to sort out this length. Now you got two separate lists here, one for external and one for workshop drawings. Now I'm going to run this tool for precast. For workshop drawing, the status, which means either it will display precast or cast in place. There you can see the weight. Thank you for watching this video.